Anthony Carlo here at Memorial Park at Iona College, where the Iona College community came together today to remember one of the most devastating days in our nation's history, September 11, 2001.
Our friends in our community, we gather once again to remember these 15 alums who died on September 11, 2001. We also remember those whose injuries that day resulted in sustained suffering and their youthful deaths.
President Nair, this is a beautiful service. Explain the importance of a service like this to the community here at Iona.
It's critical that we as a community come together to never forget our fallen alums, to come together in prayer and in service to support one another. That's this community, that's Iona College.
When I come back here to Iona, it's like coming home. And I think we all like to remember our homes and have a place where we know people are behind us.
But in the end, I would say that I'm very fortunate to be alive, and I have to give thanks to those who saved the lives of others, who risk their lives every day, try to make others live.
What are some of the positives from a day like this?
Some of the positives, you just saw the whole community, like, it got packed and it was mostly standing room only, and everybody was just rallied around the alumni that died, even though, most of us weren't here for them when they were in school.
May God bless you, may God bless our nation, and may God bless our beloved Iona College.
The efforts by the college to remember their alumni who passed away on that day, as well as to emulate the strength shown by so many people at that time, shows that that day may be long gone, but never forgotten. Reporting from Iona College, I'm Anthony Carlo.